Hey guys, it's your girl Jasmine back on Everybody's YouTube channel with another review, and today we have a nice little straight unit from Jenna Collection, and it is the Melt Transparent Natural Hairline with a 13x6 frontal part. Her name is POLINA, and this color is it's MBLG/caramel. I think it's balayage caramel. Like that's what it is. So it's a nice blondish brown color wig. I like this. Is very cute with dark red roots. Cute. As I stated, she is 13x6, so it is 6 inches, goes all the way back, so you could do a side part, middle part, whichever, or half down. Cute. She does have an adjustable elastic wig band installed inside. It's pre-plucked, but I did plug it some more just for first preferences. Natural hairline. She is heat resistant up to 360. Just say what length she is, but she does have a little layers in the front, which are very cute, so they help frame the face a little bit. It melts down pretty okay. I would say probably would have to go in and tie it down a little bit more so I don't see the lace too much, but so far it's pretty decent. The hair is very soft. It does come in a variety of other colors. Jenna Collection don't really do too much though, but yeah, don't know how long she is, but she is a nice length. Like this gives me very much like almost like suppressed. It's very a natural length. Like this is very a cute unit. I like it a lot. She sheds a little bit, but that could be because I did plug it, so I'm gonna disregard that. I got a little tangled, but that's probably because I plugged it as well. She doesn't fit as snug on my head as I want it to be. Even with the elastic band, I probably would have to adjust a little bit more, but she fits okay. Just needs to be a little bit snugger, at least for the edges to tie down. But the back lay is okay. I don't feel any tracks, but then again, it's not as flat as I want it to be in the back. But like I said, I probably have to adjust the straps just a little bit more. This wig is versatile, so you can do a lot with this because she is a 13x6 unit. So instead of just wearing her in the middle part, side part, you can style it if you want to. Maybe do like some bangs or like a half and down. You know, you can do a lot with this. So she's cute. I like it. Jenna Collection really be slept on, especially when it comes to their 13x6 or their full frontal wigs. Like they be slept on. People be forgetting about them, and they be pretty decent. For the most part, I like them. I have no complaints about it. The hair is very soft. I want to see how this quality holds up. To be quite honest, I like this wig. She might be one of my little favorite straight wigs. I don't have a lot of favorite straight wigs, at least synthetic wise, so this one might be added to the collection just because of the length too. She's not too long and not too short, and I like it. And the face framing cut they did in the front, super cute. So yeah, I don't have nothing else to say about this wig, and I don't have no cons about this wig, which is surprising. Yeah, I don't have nothing negative to say about this wig. So yeah, she's gonna be added to my list of wigs that I like, especially when it comes to straight wigs. But if you guys like to purchase this wig, make sure you click the link down below in the description box. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.